Interesting. Now let's continue. Now let's continue AWS EC2. In this, now let's continue how to connect. How to connect AWS EC2 instance using MobaXterm. MobaXterm is one of the most popular SSH client. Using this SSH client, you can connect EC2 machine. You can connect any remote machine. So EC2 mission, MobaXterm can be used to connect a remote mission which is presented in any data center, physical server. Remote mission, uh, it is installed in any virtualization software like VMware, Citrix, Oracle VM, or remote mission, remote virtual mission created in AWS cloud or Azure cloud or GCP cloud. Using MobaXterm, you can connect any of these remote missions, and it is one of the most popular SSH client. I also like this MobaXterm. It's my favorite SSH client today. Let me start, download and install and create a connection with EC2 instance. Then, start using using MobaXterm. MobaXterm. Okay. Yeah. Open any web browser. Okay. I am opening Google Chrome. Then open a new tab, and here I am searching. I am searching MobaXterm download. You can see first link. MobaXterm provides two versions, Home Edition and Professional Edition. Home Edition is completely free. You no need to pay a single rupee. I recommend download this Home Edition for our practice purpose. And it is also provides portable version. When you see any software portable means they downloaded, installed and converted in zip format. Again, they uploaded into their server. So you can just extract that download and extract. And other version, installable software. For MobaXterm, this is more than enough. Portable version is more than enough. Let's click on this portable edition. Then it is started downloading. Okay. Let's wait a few seconds to complete this MobaXterm downloading. So it is 41.3 MB. Depends upon your internet speed. It will take a few seconds time or few minutes time to download. Let's wait a few seconds to complete downloading. It is downloaded. Okay, let's once again resume. Yeah, it is downloaded successfully. Let's go to download folder. Let's take this one. Okay, let's cut and paste into our SSH client location. So it is comes in the format of zip. Use any unzip software. You can use WinZip, WinRAR, any unzip software. So I am using default one, extract all. Then I am extracting here. Okay. So this is the folder. Let's remove this downloaded file. Now I am giving a name to this one. Okay. Akkem Sreenivas MobaXterm. Okay. Go to inside this one. And here also I am giving name to this one. Akkem Sreenivas MobaXterm. I am sending this one into desktop. So more option and send to desktop. Instead of every time coming here, I am sending it to desktop team. Okay. Now let's go here. Let's go this one team. Double click on this MobaXterm. It will start MobaXterm. Then here you can see a session. Click on session. Then click on allow. First time it will ask allow. Then click on SSH. Then provide remote host. We already seen connecting my remote host using public IP address. Yes or no? Now let's see public DNS. Copy this public DNS. Enter this public DNS here. And here specify username. What is username? Ubuntu. Ubuntu is my username. And go to advanced SSH. And here you can see uh, private key. Use private key. Select a private key. Click on this browse option. Go to your private key file location under C drive, under Akkem Sreenivas, under uh, complete Amazon AWS. Here we can see keys. Here select this key and click on open. Okay. Do not click on OK. Go to bookmark settings. Here it is taken default name. Just remove this one. Give a session name. EC2 Ubuntu demo. Then click on OK. Then click on I accept. Then it will connect your EC2 machine. In Putty, we opened and we already set up a font size. You can just here see, press your one finger in control, just mouse pointer. See, you can increase, decrease size, user friendly. Second option, you can right click on here, you can open a duplicate tab. If you want to open another tab, again you have to open another putty window. Yes or no? Then control screen, mouse pointer, user friendly. There are a lot of benefits compared to putty. Then once you connected, you can execute any Linux command. Any Linux command. Okay. Clear, right? How to connect AWS EC2 mission using MobaXterm.